Welcome back to another freaking video. Wow, what is your boy? Oh no, I stalled. Yeah, shake that ass. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, I think it's freaking sweet. RSV4, good starter bike. No! What the hell is up, ladies and gentlemen? Today is a super awesome, super cool, awesome, hashtag super amazing day. It's freaking absolutely beautiful out. There's like clouds, but like not bad clouds. You know what I mean? Like it's just like a cloudy little day. The high is supposed to be like 73. It's just perfect, mate. It's just beautiful. Absolutely zero complaints on my end. But it is a special day, not just because of the weather. It is this kid's birthday right here. And I have organized a awesome little meet where we're gonna all meet up and we're gonna cruise over to where he's having his birthday party at. To my knowledge, he doesn't know that we're all coming. And to be quite frank, I don't know how many people are actually going to be coming out to this. This is gonna be a really good time. You guys are coming along for the ride as usual. I hope you guys are all freaking doing amazing. If you're new to this channel, my name is Jack. I'm a silly little guy. I do silly little things sometimes. I'm super excited. This kid's super passionate about motorcycles. Somebody sent me the DM and they were like, hey, this kid's having a birthday party, like just wanted to spread the word to you. And like literally within 2 minutes I posted. I was like, let's do it, let's do it. I want to make this huge for this kid and I really hope it is. That's a nice little Ford Bronco, mate. I love the white wheels. That looks real good. The trees are starting to bloom. Everything's starting to get greener. It rained for like a solid 4 days straight, bro. It was absolutely brutal. 4 freaking days of rain and now we have this beautiful green city. It's awesome. Pardon me, everybody. Excusez-moi. Pardon. I coming through here. Can I get a drag of that, sir? No? Okay, that's all right. Nobody's here yet. I'm the only one. Every meet that I've like hosted ever, I'm always late. So this is the first time I've been like the first person here. Woo! Shawty looking freaking beautiful today. Oh, except for these 2 little bugs that I massacred. A lot of people have asked me like what other plans I have for this bike. I have grips, but they're white, and I don't want to put white grips on this because it's just gonna make it look really weird. But at the same time, I could get away with it. I just need new grips, I need new ball ends, I need new levers, and I need a new exhaust, and then I'd be happy with it. I want to do rear sets at some point, but we'll get around to that. We'll get around to that in the future. Alright, gang, we're gonna hang out here and wait for the whole rest of the crew to show up. Quick little transition for you. Bang, awesome transition. Hell yeah, dude, the gang is all here. We're freaking getting ready to head out of here. I think everybody is freaking waiting on me. Dang, son. Let's freaking go, dude. Oh, I'm so excited for this, dude. This kid is gonna have a freaking ball, bro. Look at all the gang. I'm gonna wait for these cars to go by. Wait for the whole gang to get here, and then we'll go. Oh, no! I stalled! Yeah, shake that ass! Damn! That R6 sounds freaking beautiful! Oh yeah! Oh my god! Oh my god! The clouds are kind of overcasting, so it makes the weather a little nicer, you know? Oh yeah, look at us! Oh yes! I love this, man. If you guys aren't out here, if you haven't came out to like any of the meets or anything that I've hosted in the past, I highly recommend it. It's always a freaking good time. Like I said, we're all pretty close out here as a community. Now we're in the back. Everybody's jumping these speed bumps. I low-key have no idea where we're even going, but it's a birthday party, so they gotta be around somewhere, you know?
Probably at the other part.
You think so? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we gotta go to the other side. That was some foreshadowing by me. We are on the complete wrong side of the park. Bro, I feel like such a dummy head right now. I organized this entire gang of people and we just go the wrong way. I forget there's 2 entrances to this park. I wasn't using the noggin. I didn't have my thinking cap on all the way when I woke up this morning, so whoops. I think I know where we're going now. Maybe. Is it here? Yeah. Oh yeah, there's a ton of other people already here.
There's the rest of everybody.
I don't even know where to go. All right, let me wrap back around. What's up, dude?
Nice to meet you. I've been watching you for a minute.
Thanks, bro. I appreciate it. Dude, we freaking went over there at first.
I was telling them. I bet you they went to the north.
Yeah, that's That's exactly what happened. Who's the birthday boy? Is it one of them over there?
Yeah, I think it's the one with the yellow shirt, crop top hair.
Okay.
He's got his own little RSV4.
I'm so stupid. Whoa. Dude, that thing is freaking sweet. 1000cc. He got him RSV4. Good starter bike. You thought. I'm just kidding. What are you antisocial freaks doing over here? There's a cop right there.
If you do another meet like before June,
Yeah.
I'll be here, but I'm getting deployed to Korea.
Oh, that's no fun. I've heard Korea's nice though. I don't know. I'm 25% South Korean. My grandma's like 100%. She migrated to the U.S. in like 57. Crazy.
Have you been there?
Oh, could be fun. An adventure. Stories nonetheless, you know?
Except I'll be on the DMZ.
The what?
The demilitarized zone between North Korea and South Korea.
Oh, that. Never mind.
Yeah, they're like, the Korean War never ended. It's just in a ceasefire. I'm like, cool. I'm going to start that up again. On the news that somebody fired one shot to the DMZ.
Y'all have fun.
Yeah, we'll see it.
See you.
You got a waiver for us to sign? Yeah, I'm gonna find you and tag you. Don't worry about it.
I'm Jack. Did I talk to you on Insta or on Messenger? Okay, cool. It's good to meet you. It's good to meet you. Yeah, of course. I'm glad. I didn't know there was already people here. We went over to that spot, the other one, and they were like, they're probably at the other side, and so we all came over here. But
they started showing up about 1:30.
yeah, nice.
They brought them a big treasure chest they made.
Oh, that's so cool.
A couple vests.
Heck yeah, that's awesome. Heck yeah, that's super cool. He's birthday boy, yeah, he's happy.
Oh, he sees the helmet.
I saw his little bike over there too. I thought that was awesome.
It's a little fast for him.
It's
It's like 16 miles an hour and she didn't know it.
oh my god, there's a lot of policia. Well, there's three cops. We're not causing any trouble. I mean, aside from the fact that a lot of people don't have license plates. No!
It didn't crack.
Yes, it did.
Let me see it.
This.
You owe him a new phone.
That wasn't there. It's okay. I have the insurance.
Put a case on it like a normal person.
No. Yeah. Of course. Oh, that was super awesome. That was awesome, man. What a good freaking time. I'm glad we could bring everybody together and do that for that kid. He was loving it. There were so many freaking bikes there too, dude. That was so cool. I absolutely love that, man. Shout out to everybody who came out. Also shout out the birthday boy. Happy freaking birthday. That was a ton of fun, man. Just hanging with all the gang and doing a little surprise for that kid, man. It was super cool. There was a lot of other bikes, like apparently there was like 30 more Harleys that were there before we ever actually like rolled up. But now, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to have some fun and do a little group ride. If you're gonna do dumb shit, go to the front. I don't want anybody else getting hurt if you're being dumb.